Did you know that you can play full games on your Galaxy S25 Ultra without installing the Metal? To do so, swipe up your home screen to open apps, find Gaming Hub, then tap it to open it. Here, you can scroll to the recommended for you section or trending game section. Pick any game you like and then tap on it. A pop-up appear to ask you whether you want to add a shortcut to this game to your home screen. Tap add to add the shortcut or cancel to not to. As you can see, the game will launch instantly, so you can start playing right away. And that's it. Instant Play lets you enjoy games on your Galaxy S25 Ultra with zero storage use. It's perfect for quick gaming session without filling up your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.